There are services out there charging anywhere from $50 to a few $100 to get you something the IRS hands out for free in about 10 minutes. It's called an EIN, and your LLC almost certainly needs one. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your EIN free, straight from the IRS, the fast way, plus the common mistakes that trip people up, and the one situation where paying for help actually makes sense. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and here on this channel, we go through business services straight up. So let's get into it. What an EIN actually is. EIN stands for Employer Identification Number. It's a 9-digit number the IRS issues to your business, and it works like a social security number for your company. It identifies your LLC to the federal government for tax purposes. Here's the part that confuses people. You don't need to have employees to get one, despite the name. Almost every LLC needs an EIN for ordinary business reasons. You need it to open a business bank account because banks require it. You need it to file business taxes. You need it if you ever hire anyone. You need it to apply for a business credit card or loan. And a lot of clients and platforms will ask for it before they'll pay you. So even if it's just you, you almost certainly need one. Using an EIN also keeps your personal social security number off your business paperwork, which is good for your privacy and helps separate you from your business. That separation is part of what keeps your LLC's liability protection solid. The myth that you have to pay for it. Let's clear this up right now because it's the whole reason for this video. Getting an EIN from the IRS is completely free. There's no government fee, not even $1. The reason people end up paying is that a lot of formation services bundle the EIN into a paid package, or there are websites designed to look official that charge you to file a form that you could file yourself in a few minutes. Some of those sites are deliberately built to look like the IRS. They're not. The only place you get an EIN directly is the real IRS website, which is irs.gov. If a site is charging you a fee just for the EIN itself and calling it a government charge, that's a red flag. Now, there are legitimate reasons someone chooses to have a service handle it, and I'll cover the one big one near the end. But you should know going in that the task itself costs nothing. The free IRS process step by step. So here's how to do it yourself. The fastest method by far is the online application on the IRS website. First things first, make sure your LLC is actually formed before you apply. This matters. You get your EIN after your LLC is officially registered with your state, not before. People sometimes try to get the EIN first and then run into problems. Form the LLC, then get the EIN. And if you need help doing that, Northwest Registered Agent has a $39 plus state fee services that'll do it for you. Just sign up using the link down in the description, and you even get a free year of registered agent service included in that $39 cost. So link down in the description to get started with that. Now, secondly, go to irs.gov and search for apply for an EIN online. Make sure that you're on the real irs.gov domain. The online tool is free. Third, know the hours. The online EIN application isn't open around the clock. It's available Monday through Friday during daytime and evening hours Eastern time. So if you try at 2 in the morning and it's down, that's why. Apply during the week, during business hours, and you're fine. Fourth, have your information ready. You'll need the legal name of your LLC, your business address, the type of entity, and the responsible party's name and social security number, or ITIN. The responsible party is basically the person who controls the business, which for most single member LLCs is just you. Fifth, complete the application in one sitting. The online session doesn't save your progress, and it times out after a period of inactivity. So don't start it until you have your details in front of you. It only takes about 10 to 15 minutes if you're prepared. And here's the best part. When you finish the online application, the IRS issues your EIN immediately. You get it right there on the screen at the end, and you can download the confirmation letter, which is called the CP575. Save that letter. Your bank and others will ask for it later on. Common mistakes people make. A few things trip people up, so let me flag them now. The first is applying before your LLC exists. Form the business first, always. The second is the 1 per day limit. The IRS only lets a responsible party get 1 EIN per day. So if you're setting up more than one business, you can only knock out 1 EIN per calendar day through the online tool. The third is mixing up an EIN with an ITIN. They are different. An EIN identifies your business. An ITIN is an individual taxpayer number for people who can't get a social security number. You don't substitute one for the other. The fourth is losing the confirmation letter. That CP575 letter is your proof. Download it, save a copy somewhere safe, and keep a backup. Getting a replacement later is more of a hassle than just saving it now in multiple places. And one more that catches people off guard later. Your EIN sticks with your business, but certain changes can require a brand new one. If you start as a single member LLC and later bring on a partner, or you switch how your LLC is taxed, or the ownership structure changes in a major way, the IRS may want you to apply for a new EIN. A simple change of address or business name usually doesn't trigger that. You just notify the IRS. But if the structure of the business itself changes, check the IRS guidelines, because using the wrong EIN on a return creates a mess that's annoying to untangle. The one situation where paying for help makes sense. Here's the part that I want to make sure you stick around for, because this is where being honest matters. If you have a social security number or an ITIN, you do not need to pay anyone. The free online tool gives you your EIN in minutes, and I'd encourage you to just do it yourself. But there's a real exception. If you're a non-US founder without a social security number or an ITIN, the online tool doesn't work for you. You have to file a form called the SS4 by fax or mail, and that wait can stretch out for weeks if you don't know exactly how to fill it out. This is slow and frustrating, and it's the spot where a lot of international founders get stuck for a month or more. That's a situation where having a service handle it is genuinely worth the money, because they know how to complete the SS4 correctly and get it processed without the back and forth that causes delay. Northwest Registered Agent can obtain your EIN for you, which is especially useful if you're a non-US founder without a social security number and you'd otherwise be stuck dealing with faxed forms and long waits. They also handle your formation and registered agent service, so your whole setup is in one place. If you've got a social security number, do it yourself for free. If you don't, this is the clean way around the roadblock. Link down in the description below. What to do with your EIN once you have it. Now, once that number is in hand, put it to work. Use it to open your dedicated business bank account, which is one of the first things you should do after forming an LLC. Keep the EIN and the confirmation letter with your important business records, and start using it instead of your social security number anywhere your business needs to provide a tax ID, like on contracts and payment platforms. That keeps your personal number private and reinforces the separation between you and your business. So that's the honest breakdown of how to get an EIN for your LLC. For almost everyone, it's free, it's fast, and you can do it yourself in about 10 minutes on the real IRS website. The only time it's worth paying is if you're a non-US founder without a social security number. If that's you and you want it handled the easy way, the link to Northwest Registered Agents down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission if you decide to use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We go through different business services the same way every single time. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.